Well, hello. You've probably received your little love letter from your county appraisal district in the mail concerning your property's tax value. If you think your property tax value is too high, you can protest it. Hey there, I'm Roz Booker, and I'm the principal broker, CEO of Arbrook Realty. We are a full-service real estate company here in the North Texas area. We help people birth their dreams and build legacies in real estate. Today, I am going to talk to you about how to protest your tax value. So the first question would be, why protest? Well, as a property owner, there are several reasons that you may protest your property's appraised value. Number one would be if you feel that the value has been assessed too high or unequal value compared to the homes that are around you. Maybe there are some exemptions that have been omitted or that you need to apply for, such as ag use. Or maybe the property's ownership has changed. Maybe the property's use of the land has changed. So the next question is, how do I protest? And I am so glad that you asked. Since I cover Collin County, we'll use them as a reference. There is a notice of protest form that can be downloaded from collincad.org website. That form is used to protest. Or you can simply write a letter to the appraisal district and include the property address, the owner's name, and your reason for protesting. So all protest forms must be either mailed or conducted online on CAD's online appeals e-file system using the appropriate PIN that has been assigned. Unfortunately, it cannot be faxed. So the deadline to file your protest form, this is very important, is May 15th or no later than 30 days after the date of the notice. Now, if you're mailing in the form, it needs to be properly postmarked by the deadline. If the deadline falls on a weekend or a recognized holiday, the next business day is the deadline. So this is what happens after you file a protest. The district's staff will review your protest. You want to make sure that you have gathered facts, all of your documentation, photos, etc., that support why you feel that your property taxes need to be reduced. So if you are unsatisfied with the results of that meeting with the Collin County Appraisal District or your relevant district, a hearing will be set by the Appraisal Review Board, called the ARB. The Appraisal District will notify the owner or an agent operating on behalf of the owner via the e-file system, telephone, email, or mail. The Appraisal Review Board will notify the owner or the agent within 15 days of the hearing. And they will also send you documentation about the right to inspection and what information they will be using in that meeting. After the appraisal review hearing, there will be a ruling. Once a decision is made, the owner or the agent will receive a certified notice in the mail of that decision. If you are still unsatisfied with the ARB's ruling, you have two options. You can appeal in state district court, or you can seek arbitration. Well, best wishes, good lucks, prayers to you on protesting your property tax value. I am Roz Booker, principal broker, CEO of Arbrook Realty. We're a full-service real estate company here in the North Texas area. We're here to birth dreams and build legacies. Let us know if we can serve you.